Hi students, very good morning to all. All are fine? I hope you are fine. Did you learn last class portions? Last class I have completed balanced diet and deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins. Yeah? Ready to read columns? First, what is balanced diet? What is balanced diet? A diet that contains adequate amount of all the nutrients in right quantities along with enough and water helpful for healthy functioning of our body is known as balanced diet. Yes, the balanced diet contains 4 food groups. Yeah, what are the food groups? What are the food groups? The balanced diet contains milk groups, meat groups, grains group, fruits and vegetables. Yeah. The milk groups include milk products like butter, cheese, that all the items, meat, chicken, prawn, oyster, fish, and the substitution meats like some pulses like soybeans, mung beans, green gram, that are all under that one. Yes. Then next after fruits and vegetables. You know what are the examples of some? Say some example fruits: mango, orange, apple, grapes. Yes. This also contains vitamins and roughage also. Yes, some vegetables like cabbage, carrot. Yes, these fruits and vegetables contain vitamins and minerals. Yeah. Then next, grains. Yes, the whole grains. Yes, the rice, wheat, maize, bread. Yes, this all will be contain carbohydrates. Yeah. Next, what we discuss? We discuss about the deficiency diseases. Yes, the disease that can lead to the deficiency of. Yes. Deficiency is caused due to the lack of nutrients. Lack of nutrients in a diet over a long period of time is called deficiency diseases. Okay, diseases that are caused due to the lack of nutrients in the diet over a long period of time is called deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases can transmit it from one person to another. No, it cannot transmit it from one person to another. Some of the diseases are transmitted to one person to another. Yes. Now, corona. Yes, coronavirus transmits one person to another, and cold. Yes, this some of the diseases transmit one person to another. Then deficiency of carbohydrates. Deficiency of carbohydrates. You know, this doesn't start itself by explain what is carbohydrates. Carbohydrate provides energy to our body. Lack of carbohydrates in diet leads to lack of stamina and energy. The hard working man and the athletics, they need large amount of carbohydrates. Yeah. Then deficiency of proteins. The small children, they need more amount of proteins for their growth. Lack of protein diet leads to standard growth. Yes, the muscle weakness. Yeah. Deficiency of proteins leads to kwashiorkor. Yes, deficiency of proteins along with the carbohydrate deficiency is called protein energy malnutrition. What is the abbreviation of PEM? Protein energy malnutrition. Then it leads to marasmus. What is the symptoms of this kwashiorkor and marasmus? The kwashiorkor, the patient's body is swollen and the large part like belly and the stunted growth, mental disorders and diarrhea. Yeah, these are the symptoms of kwashiorkor. And marasmus. Compared to kwashiorkor patient, the marasmus patient is very thin. Yes, lack of appetite, lack of stamina, muscle weakness, mental. These are some of the symptoms of marasmus. Most of the infant below the age of 5 years suffer from this marasmus disease. So our government has started several programs like integrated child development scheme and midday meal scheme in school. Yeah, okay. Today we are going to discuss about deficiency of vitamins, minerals and water. Okay, first deficiency of vitamins. From there we are going to discuss about what are the sources of vitamins. Okay, what are the sources of vitamins and what are the functions of the vitamins, what are the deficiency diseases and the symptoms. Okay, first, what are the types of vitamins? Already we discussed in this chapter, yes, previous classes. What are the types of vitamins? Fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Yes. What are the vitamins under the category of fat soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, D, E and K. Yes. Then what are the vitamin complex? Water soluble vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Okay. What are the types of vitamins commonly we say? Vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin K and C. Okay. These are the some of the types of vitamins. First one, listen here. Okay, first one, vitamin A. Vitamin A. What are the sources of vitamin A? Cabbage, fish liver oil, liver, mango, egg, papaya, carrot, milk and butter. Yes, orange vegetables and fruits mostly come into the category of vitamin A. Okay, what are the food sources containing vitamin A? Carrot, mango, papaya. Yes, the pumpkin. Yes, butter, milk, cod liver oil. Yes, egg. These are the food items contain vitamin A. Okay. What is the functions of this vitamin A? What is the function? Keeps eyes, hair and skin healthy. What is the function of this vitamin A? It keeps our eyes, hair and skin healthy. Okay, deficiency disease. Deficiency of vitamin A in our diet leads to night blindness. Okay, deficiency of vitamin A in our diet leads to which disease? Night blindness. Which disease? Night blindness. Okay, what is the symptoms of this night blindness? What is the symptoms? Dryness of eyes, improper vision. Dryness of eyes and improper vision. Next one, vitamin B1. Okay, vitamin B1. What are the food sources containing vitamin B1? Soybeans, potato, beans, liver, sweet corn and milk. Okay, these are the some of the food sources containing vitamin B1. Yes, what is the function of this vitamin B1? Help our digestive system and nervous system. Okay, helpful for the proper function of our digestive system and nerve. Okay, what is the deficiency of this vitamin B1? Lack of vitamin B1 in our diet leads to which disease? Beriberi. Okay, beriberi means inflammation of nerves and digestive problems and heart abnormalities. Okay, what are the symptoms of beriberi? Inflammation of nerves. Okay, so heart abnormal also happen. Okay, then vitamin B2. Next what? Vitamin B2. What are the sources of vitamin B2? Tomato, soybeans, chicken, liver, meat, egg and milk. Okay, these are the some of the sources of vitamin B2. These are the some of the sources of vitamin B2. Okay, then what is the function of this vitamin B2? Maintain our skin, mouth and eyes healthy. Okay, what is the function of this vitamin B2? It keeps our eyes, skin, mouth healthy. Okay, deficiency of this vitamin B2 in our diet lead to skin diseases. Okay, leads to which disease? Skin diseases. Okay, what is the symptoms of this deficiency of vitamin 2? Okay, skin disorders, irritation of eyes, skin and intestinal disorders and inflammation of the tongue. Okay, irritation of the eyes and the skin disorders and inflammation of the tongue, the swelling back. Then next one, what are the next one? Vitamin B12. What? Vitamin B6. Okay, vitamin B6. What are the sources of this vitamin B6? What are the food sources containing vitamin B6? Liver, beans, fish, mutton, pulses, fruits, sweet corn and milk. These are the some of the sources of vitamin B6. So what is the functions of vitamin B6? It is helpful for amino acid metabolism in our body. Okay. What is the symptom? What is the deficiency of this vitamin B6? What is the deficiency? Anemia. Okay. What is the deficiency of this B12? Anemia. Which deficient disease? Anemia. What are the symptoms? Pale color nail. Okay. Eyes also pale in color. These are the some of the symptoms. Okay. Vitamin B12. What are the food items containing vitamin B12? Liver, cheese, milk, mutton and egg. These are the some of the sources of vitamin B12. What are the food items containing vitamin B12? Liver, cheese, milk, mutton and egg. Okay. What is the function of this vitamin B12? It is helpful for formation of red blood cell and helpful for our proper metabolism. Okay. vitamin B12. What is the function of vitamin B12? Helpful for formation of red blood cell. Deficiency of vitamin B12 in our body leads to anemia. In our body leads to which disease? Anemia. Listen here. What is the symptoms of anemia? This anemia, yes, the normal patient, normal may have more amount of red blood cell. Okay, anemia suffered person have very less amount of red blood cell. Okay, this leads to anemia. What are the symptoms of anemia? Fatigue, irregular heartbeats, chest pain, headache, pale or yellow skin, okay, shortness of breath and weakness. These are the some of the symptoms of anemia. Okay, then next one, vitamin C. Vitamin C. What are the food items containing vitamin C? Green leaves, tomato, amla, cucumber, orange, guava, lemon, cabbage. The citrus fruits. So what are the vegetables and fruits will provide citrus taste. That all will under the category of vitamin C. Okay. What is the function of vitamin C? Vitamin C improves our immunity and keeps our eyes, gums and teeth healthy. Eyes, gums and teeth healthy, and also it is used for wound healing process. What is the deficiency of vitamin C? Scurvy. What is the deficiency of vitamin C? Scurvy. Okay, what is the symptoms? Loosening of teeth and bleeding will occur in the gums. Okay, and slow healing of wounds, weakness and low resistive power. Okay, these are the some of the symptoms of scurvy. Okay, what are the symptoms of scurvy? Lack of vitamin C in our diet leads to which disease? Scurvy. Okay, what are the symptoms of scurvy? What are the symptoms? Loosening of teeth, spongy and bleeding gums, increased susceptibility to diseases, slow healing of wounds, weakness and pain in the limbs. Okay, then next one. Next, vitamin D. Next what? Vitamin D. Okay, what are the food sources containing vitamin D? What are the food sources containing vitamin D? Sunlight, fish liver oil, fish, egg, milk, butter. Okay, these are the some food sources containing vitamin D. Okay, what is the function of this vitamin D? Vitamin D helpful for formation of bone, utilization of calcium. Okay, what is the deficiency of this vitamin C? Deficiency. What is the deficient disease of vitamin lack of vitamin D in diet? Rickets. Okay, deficiency of vitamin D in diet leads to which disease? Rickets. You see, what are the symptoms of the rickets? Pigeon-like chest, bow leg, wide joints, wide elbow joints, wide knee joints. These are the some of the symptoms of rickets. Okay. Then next one, vitamin K. Next what? Vitamin K. What are the food sources containing vitamin K? What are the food sources containing vitamin K? Vegetable oil, soybeans, tomato, meat, green leaves and liver. Okay, these are the some of the food items containing vitamin K. Okay, what is the function of this vitamin K? Helps in blood clotting. Blood clotting means to stop bleeding. Okay, vitamin K helps stop bleeding. When injury happen means what happen? Bleeding will be occur. Yes, sir. The vitamin K helpful for clotting. Without clotting, what will happen? The patient will be dead. Yes. So vitamin K helpful for blood clotting. Okay. Then what is deficiency of vitamin K leads to hemorrhage. Okay, means excessive bleeding. Excessive bleeding. Hemorrhage means excessive bleeding. Lack of vitamin K diet leads to which disease? Hemorrhage means excessive bleeding. Okay, what is the symptoms? Affect clotting of blood. Affect clotting of blood. Are you clear? Once again, listen. Now what are the vitamins we discussed here? Vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin K. Yes? Deficiency of vitamin A in diet leads to which disease? Night blindness. Okay. Deficiency of vitamin A leads to night blindness. Vitamin B1. Deficiency of vitamin B1 leads to beriberi. Okay. Deficiency of vitamin B2 leads to skin disorders. Skin disorders. Vitamin B12 anemia. Vitamin B12 anemia. Vitamin C scurvy. Vitamin C scurvy. Then vitamin D rickets. Vitamin K hemorrhage. SSU bleeding. Also listen. Deficiency of vitamin A leads to night blindness. Vitamin B1 beriberi. Okay. Vitamin B2 skin disorders. Vitamin B12 anemia. Vitamin C scurvy. Vitamin D rickets. Vitamin K hemorrhage. Okay. Means SSU bleeding. Are you clear? Listen, from this all the vitamins, some vitamins are very sensitive to heat and light. Okay, some vitamins are very sensitive in heat and light. Which vitamin? Vitamin C. Okay, after cooking, the vitamin C destroy their nutrients. So we want to eat fresh. Okay, draw uncooked fruits and vegetables. Vitamin citrus fruits we want to eat in uncooked manner. Okay, then only we get vitamin C. Okay, yes, most of the in the ancient time, most of the sailors died due to lack of this vitamin C. Okay, scurvy common among sailors in ancient time. Lack of several sailors are died of the disease during a long voyage. Okay, because they didn't eat the citrus-rich food, so they suffer from scurvy. What are the symptoms of scurvy? Loosening of teeth and bleeding will occur in the gums and slow healing. Yes, slow healing means wound will be heavy. Yes, so that's why they will be dead. After in the year 1797, James Lind, he is a scientist. Okay, he found the vitamin C rich food cure scurvy. Vitamin C rich food cure scurvy. Are you clear?